Hello friends! Today I have brought a new video for you. To create an Instagram account, follow these steps. 1. Download the Instagram app from the App Store or Play Store. 2. Open the app and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. 3. Enter your email address or phone number and click Next. 4. Choose a username that you prefer and is available. 5. Create a strong password and confirm it. 6. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture and a bio. 7. Connect your account to your Facebook or other social media accounts if desired. 8. Start following friends or explore accounts and start posting photos and videos to share with your followers. 9. Adjust your privacy settings and choose who can see your posts. 10. Enjoy your Instagram experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.